Ate, si Cyrus ba yan? Gusto ko siya makausap. Ikaw din, nagsinungaling ka rin sa akin. Pakiramdam ko pinagkaisahan niyo akong dalawa eh.
It started because of me. Nagselos ako because of the love and attention that they were giving to Brandon. So I wrote that essay.
Kaya ba nagpanggap ka na ikaw si Ninja Boy para maprotektahan mo si Brandon?
Hindi pwede makita ng Park family ang weaknesses ng leadership ni Brandon. Trauma can manipulate your judgment.
Is Brandon busy with something? Where is he?
Sir, our vice chairman is on top of everything. He is like the wind. You can see him, but you can feel him.
Bakit ba kasi kahit gustong-gusto kong magalit sa'yo, ayaw nito, hindi na kita matiis.
So, you won't break up with me? I love you.
I love you too, boss.
I just wanna thank you for giving me another chance.
In our own personal real-life drama, all feels like a jump.
Sorry, sorry.
Sorry. Ate,
Ulitin ko muna.
now?
Mamaya na lang.
Yeah.
Because of the world of K-drama,
Ay,
once
sana ba?
once again,
Ito.
K-dramas are an encounter with our braver self. Part of us that haven't quite given up yet. On ourselves, on one another.
Lakas, yung kapitbahay. Hindi, patay natin.
Ay, hello po. Kuya Rico, Ate Lindsay, magandang gabi ho.
Ay, sorry, may bisita ka pala.
Pasensya na po kayo kung naingayan ho kayo sa TV.
Kakatulog lang kasi nung baby namin eh. Mahirapan mong patulogin yun, so baka pwedeng pahinaan ng...
Pasensya na po.
Ayos lang. Nagka-quality time din kayo eh.
Hindi. Pauwi na rin po to. Uwi ka na, di ba?
I am.
Oo. Kasi maaga pa yung trabaho mo bukas, di ba? Bye-bye.
It's okay, you might require
Iaalis na din
some...
kami.
Sige po.
Wait, you might require some of my assistance.
Hindi, sabi ni Doc, okay na daw. Sige, ingat. Bye-bye.
Okay. I guess I'll see you tomorrow then.
Bukas na lang. Bye-bye. Ingat. Ingat. Sige na. Okay na. Bye.
Diyos ko, sana hindi na i-bring up ni boss.
About last night. I'm sorry about your mom. What do we? I message her instead. Good morning. Let me make it up to you. Dinner tonight? My place?
Oo, yan na. Yan nga ba sinasabi ko eh. Kim, relax. Baka naman about work lang.
last night, boss.
It's tiring.
Kim, kalma lang. We are consenting adults here. Okay? Huwag mo nang isipin yun. Nag-enjoy naman tayo pareho.
Oh! Karabe, bakit ganyan ka makapitig? Hindi ka pumipikit talaga. Ito na, babaguhin ko na. Babaguhin na.
It's taking her so long. Hey, I don't mean to pressure you or anything. It's just that sobrang happy ko lang when I'm with you.
So, Kimberly, umayos ka, okay? Umayos ka, umayos ka, umayos ka. Huwag ka magpapadala sa tukso. We can do this. Inhale, exhale. Ayos na kaya to? Ayos na ba? Ayos. Parang gusto ko pang Nasaan? Darating din tayo dun, boss. All in God's time.
All in God's time.
Boss, andito pala kayo.
Wait, ba't nakapang-office ka? I approved your sick leave for today.
Okay na po ako. Reporting for duty.
No. I talked to your doctor and the only thing that he cleared for today is for you to come with me para bumili ng mug. So right after nun, babalik tayo dito, ihahatid kita.
Pag okay na, sa office na lang tayo.
As your boss, I'm ordering you na bawal kang pumasok sa opisina. Okay? Okay.
Oh, saan ang lakad natin?
Bibisitahin ko si Secretary Kim. Hindi pa kami nag-uusap after what happened.
Carlota, you can't just go there uninvited. Hindi naman kayo close si Secretary Kim.
Dapat masanay na siya since boyfriend niya si Donnie. Pero kaya mga brands ang gusto niya.
Eh, pinangungunahan mo yung anak natin eh. Hayaan mo munang porba niyang ipakilala sa atin si Kim bago ka mag-gate crash sa bahay niya.
Can't stop me.
For goodness sake, Cyrus, can you please talk to your mother?
Cyrus? What's this?
Magpapaalam naman talaga ako.
Aalis ka?
I'm going back to Berlin, Ma. Mas makakapagsulat ako doon.
You're leaving us all over again.
Mom, I did what I set out to do here. To make amends. Now it's up to Brandon kung kaya niya ako patawarin.
Hindi ako papayag. I'm calling your brother. Walang aalis hanggat hindi kayo nagkakaayos.
Carlota, hayaan na natin sila. Hindi na bata ang mga anak natin.
Robert.
If Cyrus thinks that this is what is best for him and his mental health, dapat nating respetuhin yun.
But we just got our son.
Mom. Dad. Hindi niyo naman ako bisitahin doon. Anytime you want to.
I'm just glad you came home, anak. Lagi mo tatandaan, ha? Wherever your destiny leads you, I am here for you. And I am and will always be proud of you.
Oh, we could actually buy a new TV later.
Hindi na kailangan. Okay pa naman yung TV namin sa bahay.
Yeah, but sira yung remote.
Boss, about last night. Kasi,
Willing to wait, boss. In God's time. Pero, sana naman within 2 years.
ano? Ikaw,
So, what do you think about these?
Sir, mabenta po sa amin yan, lalo na sa mag-asawa.
Perfect. Kunin na namin to. Sakto, my wife here really loves it. Right?
ha?
No, she's waiting.
Ang
Right?
cute niyo naman po mag-asawa. Sige po, sa counter na lang.
Uy, ikaw Anong wife?
Ha? Bibigyan ko siya malaking tip later. Philip. Okay, wait for me there. I'm going to be there right now.
O bakit may problema sa office?
May emergency lang si Philip.
Sige, mauna ka na. Ako nang bahala dito. Ako na mag-aantay.
You sure?
Sige na, sige na. Bye-bye.
Bro, according to my wife...
Oh, may communication ulit kayo ng wife mo?
No. I mean, kay Laura ko nakuha yung tip. This is not about my wife. Ay, Laura. So, sabi niya, naka-hold daw ang shipment natin kasi may issue daw sa customs.
Why?
Well, ganun daw talaga. Change of management kaya change of rules.
Bakit walang ginagawa yung ops? Hindi pwedeng ma-delay itong shipment natin with the parks. This is our first shipment with them. At pag na-delay ito, it will cost us million.
I know. Kaya nga nag-set na ako ng emergency meeting for later. So,
No, we're gonna do it now. We have to come up with a solution bago pa ito makarating sa mga parks. Call everyone.
Update naman, please.
Busy person naman ba si boss?
Boss?
Iha! I bought this for you. May scented candle dyan para makarelax ka. And, can I pasok na kasi?
Pasok po, madam. Malit lang po yung bahay namin. Pero...
Oo, Kiko, ayan. Lagay mo sa table lahat yan. Be careful ha, baka may mabasag. Thank you.
Madam, ang dami naman po niya. Nakakahiya naman po.
Okay lang yan.
Naku, madam, nakakahiyaan masyado po. Hindi ko po matatanggap po yan.
Madam! Ba't madam? Call me tita. Tsaka masanay ka na. We're going to be uber close. Lalo na, ikaw yung girlfriend ng anak ko.
Po?
Alam ko na.
Naku, madam, pasensya na po. Hindi po namin nasabi formally po sa inyo.
Ano ba? Ang importante is, we're here now. Thank you for loving my son.
Guys, kahit ilang beses siyang mag-chat, just let her rest. Naka-SL pa rin si Sekim today. Huwag na natin siyang bigyan ng kahit anong pang stress, okay?
Sir, what if tumawag? We all know Sekim, workaholic.
Just tell her everything is okay. Okay? Jordy, nagbigay na ba ng update si Miss Sarah? Alam ni Mr. Park yung nangyayari?
Magkasama na sila ni Opa, pero mukhang di pa yata alam yung aberya eh.
heard from Lola.
Akala ko, Miss Larson na meeting with Mr. Daniel. Eh, bakit siya nagsa-self-lunch?
Ay, ayan siya. Nagpapapansin. Be, oras ng trabaho. Clueless pa rin ba si Opa sa shipment fiasco? I guess you're wondering why I asked you out on a lunch date. Date? Universe naman! Nililito mo ako. Okay na ako kay Balito. What was that?
Nothing, sir. You were saying?
I really want a chance to see you outside the office, one-on-one.
Huh?
So we can really talk.
Why?
So I can freely ask you
Yes, yes!
if you wanna help me get to know the company better. Cause you know, it seems like you know everyone and everything.
Siya rin pala gusto nito eh. Yes, Mr. Park. I know the company inside and out. What do you want to know?
Perfect. According to the production timeline report, there is a considerable delay in the shipment. And this setback could potentially lose us 300 million. What seems to be the problem?
Wait, did everyone confirm na atin sa emergency meeting? Shucks, may isa pang di nag-reply. Baka malakot daw kay BMC.
Kaya man kay Marie. Di nga. Isa na lang oh. Tara, follow up natin sa iyo niya.
Oo, sige. Tulungan mo na, please. Thank you, thank you.
Sige po, Sir Walt.
Sa team! Sinisinzone niyo lang ako, hindi kayo nag-reply. Ibig sabihin may problema. Ano yun?
Kasi, wait. Are you fit to work?
I'm always ready for work, Sir Walt. Ano nangyari?
We're compliant naman po, but with the change of management, may mga bigla silang hinihingi ng mga additional requirements before i-release yung shipment.
What requirements? Eh, di process nyo agad.
Sir, lagay po.
How long did you know about this, Philip?
Just now.
Then why didn't anyone inform you earlier? Kimberly,
Yes po. We need an update.
set a meeting with the customs head.
Noted
And Secretary Kim, in my office.
Yes po. Boss.
SL ka, bakit ka pumasok?
May office crisis po tayo. You need all hands on deck.
You're worrying me. Paano kung mabinat ka?
Na-update na ako ni Sir Walt. Since na-hold yung shipment natin, kukuha muna tayo ng mga materials sa mga local suppliers.
Boss, I want you to rest.
Na-email ko na rin sa Ops yung mga local suppliers. Tutulong daw yung exec team sa pag-contact sa kanila. And may heads up ko na rin yung quality control team para ma-approve nila kaagad kung ano man yung makukuha natin. Yan.
Boss, nandito na po sa office si Mr. Park.
Here in the office?
Opo.
Tara.
Mr. Park, welcome. Please, have a seat.
I heard we're having problems with our shipment. Is that right?
Mr. Park, we just recently found out about it, and we are currently working on a solution.
So what's your solution now?
Like I said, we're currently working on one, but rest assured, as soon as we have any updates, I'll personally update you.
What's the timeline?
3 days.
That's too long.
I'm just being realistic.
Okay. day one starts now.
Yes, as intended.
And you know the fines that Prime Alpha will incur in case there are delays on the shipment, right?
Of course, 50 million pesos. We drafted the contract, Mr. Park.
That's on top of the potential 300 million loss just because of the production delays.
I am well aware of that.
Good. I'm just making sure that we're on the same page. Unfortunately, I have to go.
Thank you, Mr. Park.
Boss,
I need to get some fresh air.
boss.
Yabang-yabang, akala mo lang kung sino. Akala niya siguro ma-intimidate niya ako.
You got this, boss. Lahat naman nagagawa mo ng paraan eh. Natawagan ko na pala si Mr. Sandoval. Siya yung bagong head ng customs. Napakiusapan ko siya kung pwede natin siya i-meet in 30 minutes. Pumayag naman. Pabalik na rin si Baldo. Natawagan ko na rin kanina.
Okay, let's go.
Kanina pa kita napapansin. Huwag ka na ma-pressure. Team best of the best tayo, hindi ba?
It's just
So sinasabi mo, nakahanap ka ng katapat?
him? I don't think so.
Ano ka ba? Huwag mo na isipin yun. Kayang-kaya mo yan, ikaw pa ba?
Mr. Sandoval is out of my control. But if I don't fix this in 3 days, then it's not just about the monetary loss. We're gonna leave a very bad impression sa Park family.
Ay, hindi pwede magawa ko. I-upload ko pa sa Google at kumita ng pera.
Nandito naman kami para supportahan ka eh.
You're leaving me, remember?
Hindi naman ako magre-resign bilang girlfriend mo.
I really wanna kiss you right now.
Huwag ka magtang tao dito.
Just one.
Ikaw.
Smack. Quick smack. Just, come on, sige na, just...
Uy! Huwag ka nun. Hindi pwede. Uy, andyan na si Baldo.
At least, di ba, blessing in disguise na pinauwi ko yung driver ni Sir Philip. Siraan kasi siya ng kotse, so kailangan niya magkalsada car. Imagine kung bigla silang nasiraan habang pupunta dun sa meeting.
Nakakasiguri nga.
Oh, may nire-record ako.
Ito ba yun?
Tanggalin mo kami. Tanggalin mo, Mick.
Itong shipment ninyo is because of improper documentation.
Gusto mo bang mag-wine somewhere para makapag-unwind ka?
Maybe we can go to your place.
Nakakahiya na kasi kay Ate Lindsay. Sa bahay mo na lang.
Wow! Mukhang nagpa-practice ka na.
Ha? Practice saan?
Baka magkamalan ulit tayo mag-asawa niyan.
Ang boss, si Madam Carlota pumunta pala sa bahay kanina. Ang dami niyang binili para sa akin.
Ganun lang talaga si Mom.
Hindi ko naman kasi kailangan yun eh. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi ikaw lang sa